Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. As you roll in, don't be shy. Hit the like button. Don't be shy. Drop a donation to support the content also. Viewers and subscribers, the content is top-notch content. No fake thing me on when it comes to my channel. So drop in and support the content. One family me say peace and unity me represent. So don't pull up on the channel and think you can disrespect. The hand is always on the trigger, ready to go. Viewers and subscribers, the intro is not done. One Fabian, never two. But wait, when you talk about one Fabian, you have to include one Fabian Electrical Services. And never two. You put the two together, you get one master electrician, one of a kind. Will also put my brains to the test every single time me on the job. Put the three together, you get one electrical boss in the streets who come to represent and put knowledge and awareness that comes with electrical. People, the intro is still running. In life you have to believe in the Almighty God Himself. If you fail once, get back up and keep going again. That's what I have done in my 20 years in this field. People, if you like my content and what I represent, like up the life and support the channel. Can't stop greatness. Only one that can stop it is you, yourself, who don't believe.
you love me for a long time.
I know. Yes.
Say no, I want to find an old spice.
Let's sing for me. Ready?
Viewers and subscribers, you had the intro, now come the outro. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. You can also become a member of the channel by hitting. Okay, so this is it. 3 different pipes. 2 1/4 inch, one for 100 amps, main panel, one for a generator, and the smaller pipe is controls for generator. This is the other room. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video we're going to dive into the world of pools and what it takes to protect. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. Having an inspection. So again, this is just temporary lighting that I'm doing. Um, Nothing too crazy. Yes, 100% a week. Is trying to pronounce Isria Scott. Hope I got that name right. Yes, it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Isria, okay. Yeah, so it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Like I said, I'm just doing the lighting. Um, so um, that there is my smoke detector. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using that circuit to power up the lighting. It's fast, quick, and efficient, and there's no need for me to run around and try to install other lighting. And I can basically use the smoke detector circuit. Basically, what the smoke detector circuit is it's normally a circuit that is combined with the lighting, and the reason why we combine it with the lighting is once the power goes down, um, once the power goes down with the lighting circuit, the smoke detector will not be working, and it's going to it's going to let you know. So most of the time, you know, when a lighting circuit is down, there's an issue. You obviously know that there's an issue with your smoke. Your smoke detector is off also. So for that reason, we only hook up the smoke detectors on the lighting circuit. Um, it is a rule that it is in the code book. So for that reason, um, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit. Also, a lot of times when I do go live, um, a lot of times I don't plan my lives. So for all those who are subscribed to the channel, just make sure the notification is turned to all. Reason being is there are other workers inside of here that are working, and a lot of times they have the music on, and I don't want to get the copyright, so I kind of stay away uh, from them. So I kind of stay from them they are uh, going uh, when they are going to be working downstairs. So hello, welcome back to the channel. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. It's free to do so. And you can also join the channel. The link is pinned in the comment section, or you can become a member of the channel, which is pinned in the comment section. And I'm going to be running my videos tonight. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top. So you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also.
You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pop lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, two game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have one floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4-pot lights. We have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff. The entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing. My receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have two pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror, receptacle. In here, there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2-game box. This is a 3-game box. Excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires stapled. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-game box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So again, my videos are normally about 8 minutes long, and I'm going to be running another video here where you're going to see the 400 amp disconnect, where I'm going to be prepping my wires inside of it. And I believe in about 30 minutes or so, I'm going to come off of the video and going to grounding rods.
So hello, welcome back to my channel, and I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. Again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is I'm taping my white cable that's not identified right now, and I'm simply using that with white tape, which is allowed by code. Also, you will see me have the cables wired up into the lugs, the main disconnect 400 amp disconnect service that I have here that I'm working with, and the cable that I used was 250 kc mil parallel runs. And again, you'll see all my ground bushes and everything is grounding the ground wire off, and it's going back to the main ground on the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video.
So again, basically this is the 400 amp disconnect that was placed in the middle of the, in between the 400 amp meter base on the outside and the 400 amp panel that's located in the basement inside of the furnace room, and close to the, sorry, not the furnace room, the mechanical room. And the reason why this is here is simply because there's a code rule that states that any panel that's more than I believe is 5 feet away from the meter base has to have a disconnect. So that's basically what happened. And these two cables on the top, they're parallel feeds coming from the top of the panel. Reason is when it comes to feeder cables, there's a rule where you cannot cross your main feeder cables with your
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And also, as you come in, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe
with your
to the channel
wires going out to the panel.
So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm grounding off my ground wire onto the ground bushing, ground clamp on the tech cable required by code. Has to be grounded off because of the cable that I use. And this cable is aluminum, it's not copper. Aluminum is silver, and you can see that it's a silver ground wire that I have there along with all the other grounds. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between. So hello again and welcome back to the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys all who has tuned into today's video. Again, also as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. And again, in this video, what I'm doing is simply prepping for my panel installation with the plywood, sheet of plywood, weather resistant. I'm going to be placing on the back of the in front of the wall that's behind, and this will help with of water and stuff seeping into the panel. So sit back and enjoy the last 2 minutes of the and I would thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Again, don't forget to like up the video, and I'll see you.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. And as I'm going to be running my videos and also going into some grounding work. So basically what I'm doing here is just prepping the plywood for the panel installation, and the reason being is it's a block wall. For any type of water leakage, whatever, the plywood is placed. Okay, so that video is all wrapped up, and I'm going to play another video here.
And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers.
Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles, also there's going to be a boiler up there, and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything
in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, movement TV is pretty huge. It's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here. Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. These are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room, and here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the second floor. I still have to put a light and a plug inside of this area, which is required by code. So these are basically my lights that's coming down, as you can see. So again, these are all pot lights that I'm using. In the basement, there's no center light. In the basement, it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the light in. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. This pot lights are QBZ. There's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I wasn't working
So hello, welcome back to my channel, and I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. Again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is I'm taping my white cable that's not identified right now, and I'm simply using that with white tape, which is allowed by code. Also, you will see me have the cables wired up into the lugs, the main disconnect 400 amp disconnect service that I have here that I'm working with, and the cable that I used was 250 kc mil parallel runs. And again, you'll see all my ground bushes and everything is grounding the ground wire off, and it's going back to the main ground on the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and also as you come in, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel and share the video. So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm grounding off my ground wire onto the ground bushes, ground clamp on the tech cable required by code. It has to be grounded off because of the cable that I use. And this cable is aluminum, it's not copper. Aluminum is silver, and you can see that it's a silver ground wire that I have there along with all the other grounds. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between. So hello again and welcome back to the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys all who has tuned into today's video. Again, also as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. And again, in this video, what I'm doing is simply prepping for my panel installation with the plywood, sheet of plywood, weather resistant. I'm going to be placing on the back of the in front of the wall that's behind, and this will help with of water and stuff seeping into the panel. So sit back and enjoy the last 2 minutes of the and I would thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Again, don't forget to like up the video, and I'll see you.
So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. So those were some videos normally that I run in the evening, and these videos basically are work that I do on a daily basis to the code. Um, so everything you see here has to pass inspection, and there's a variety of stuff that I do. Um, there's lots of videos that I have on my channel for anyone who are interested. You can go back through my videos and different work being done. And again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream. Very important. And I'm going to go into ground rods and what it actually means and stands for. So ground rods are, you know, um, we use them to going to the ground. It could be for the pool. It could be for anything to do with the grounding. A lot of times. So ground rods are basically something that you're going to stake down into the floor. You want to have some kind of earth connection, and once you get it up from the earth, you can simply come off of that and keep going, as long as you have some grounding stakes going on. So I'm going to here of what I'm talking about when it comes to ground rods and stuff like that. A lot of times also we have to ground off the pools and stuff like that, and it basically is a protection with the stuff going back to the ground. So I'm going to show you an example. Hopefully it's an example and not a video here. And okay, so this is an example here. Let's hopefully you can see it here. Okay, so in this picture here, as you can see, there's the cable coming off of the metal, and what that simply means is that it's grounding off the metal coming from the earth, and they're going to attach the grounding onto here. It's another way of form of picking up your grounding also. So a lot of times they do this also because this metal piece here is some type of current probably going through it, and it needs to be grounded. It needs to be grounded off, and that's the reason why you're seeing this ground wire here. And this ground wire is probably going back somewhere to the earth. So again, these are different forms of grounding that you can do when it comes to electrical. Okay, so I'm going to switch over this picture here for a second. Let's go back into here. Let me come out of this um, this picture here, and then I'm going to go back to here, share screen here, and I'm going to go to this one. It's what I want. I'm going to click ground pole. No, not that one. This one here is what I want. Okay, it's where it's a means of grounding off the metal. A lot of times these poles have to be grounded off. So again, there's many forms of grounding. Um, like I said, installing stakes, um, installing stakes, maybe in one spot, and from that one stake, you can come off of it and actually pick up your grounding around the pool. The tanks are going to be so here. This is another form of also, a lot of times you'll see in your homes, you'll see in your basement, there's a grounding rod. Sometimes you'll see it coming off out of the water meter, which a lot of times is grounded off, and from there that goes back to the panel. So just give me a second here. Let me go back into this so I can show you a better example here. So as you can see here, I've got this picture pulled up here, and as you can see, this is this first one here is basically the earth ground rod goes down into the ground, and off of here into the floor. Basically, you can hammer that down, and as long as it's the code, you can basically come off of that with your grounding. So again, there's many ways, but depending on the certain the job you're doing. For instance, if you're working on a system that's located on the outside with the transformer, it's a little substation where they have all your fences around, stuff like that, whole 9 yards. You have to stake it, and from there you basically will ground off every single metal piece that's around that area. Basically, so everything will drain back down into the ground. This solid a grounding rod clamp. Basically, what it means is if I have to connect two grounds together, I have to have one of these. One, and these come in different sizes for your wires. So let's click on this here and see if it brings me somewhere. I'm curious to see. Okay, so these are better examples here. So let's which one is that? That's the one in the middle. Okay, so let's go back here. Better example. I'm going to stop screening that, and then I'm going to restream that, share that, so I can go back into a different grounding system here. Again, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream. And again, I'm going over the grounding and the importance of grounding when it comes to your homes and stuff like that. It's a major part of what we do when it comes to electrical, as everything has to be grounded and going back to the ground. So again, without the importance of grounding also is also to protect your appliances and stuff like that. A lot of times when there's no proper grounding, you're going to find that your appliances are going to burn out a lot faster. So you know, all of these things here. Proper grounding system will help you and protect your appliances also. Only thing is when it comes to the electrical system, we use ground plates coming from down into the floor, and we bring our ground wire into the electrical area panel to the disconnect, because there's a disconnect in between the middle of the middle base and the panel. So this picture here that I am showing you guys right here. Let's see if you can see it here. Okay, so as you can see, this basically is a grounded system. Probably comes out of the ground, and it's going to tap off and pick up your grounding other places. A lot of times too, when you're running rebar, you can also take your grounding off your rebar also. A lot of times we do it in the high-rise buildings and stuff like that. So as you can see, this other video here, this other image is simply a form of grounding off your stuff here. So that's basically coming from the this rod here is coming from the floor, and they have used the it will be number 6 green wire, or if it's not a green wire, you can have a color wire, but it has to be taped up to identify it, pick up something that's so you know, your units on the outside. So again, there's many forms and ways of getting to your grounding. So again, here's another image here. Understand on the video here. Again, if you see this house here that I'm showing, that's a lot of times that's what I have to do when it comes to times ground into the home to make sure the home is grounded. And again, when it comes to animals and stuff like that, you'll see this system here. It's basically has the all the metal, like I say, everything that's metal, which can attract electricity to dealing with the animals and stuff like that. Even when it comes to inside of the place where they're kept, that whole place. I'm not sure how long that's been. I'm going to so again, that was the grounding system itself, a little bit of how it works, and how you go about doing your grounding. So I'm going to come out of here now for tonight. I'll probably go back into this tomorrow. You see, this is called grounding, and there's a lot when it comes to grounding and bonding. For instance, not the same thing. It's a big difference, and so I'm going to come out of that, and I'm going to go back to running the grounding, like I said, and let's go back into play my videos here. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and you're tuned in to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. YouTube, and what this is basically the kitchen that was roughed in, and as you can see, there's the different size of wire that I'm using for the kitchen. Um, This is also another kitchen, the bigger of the two, obviously. The previous one is a nanny kitchen. This is the going to be the main kitchen, and you would see me posting some videos recently with the finishing stuff about to happen for the kitchen with the cabinets. This is basically two stove outlets here. One is a regular stove where if you're going to be using gas, you still have to install the house. That's a code rule here in Canada. Um, Again, these are pot lights, speaker cables inside of this area here. This is basically the backyard to the house. And this one area here, the bulkheads can be very handy when it comes to running your cables and running them pretty quick. You can use the bulkhead to get where you need to go. This area here is the living room, and this is the back door right here with the switches for the back door outdoor lights. This is the living area, family room. It's going to be a bar fridge up top here. Sorry, I think it's a wine cooler of some sort, something like that. Don't remember. So there's a fireplace also in this area. You're going to see some pictures where that fireplace is pretty much built out. So again, this is just the roughing when it comes to finishing off the nicer and neater once everything is closed up. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream today. And I have 4 more videos I'm going to be running before I log off here. So again, this area here where I am, is basically the electrical room, the main electrical room, and this is again when I first started the and you're not going to see the room looking like this once I do not 100% sure yet. And so again, like I say, it's a big difference when it comes to the electrical room, and it's has to be tidy up in order for me to have my final inspection passed. Any issues, I will have a defect on the job, which I'll have to correct. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and also again for all those who are there who has checked into the live stream. If you can like up the live, please and thank you.
This is another simple way of cooking my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to use this on because this has the marking to get where this wire is going to land. And that's basically it for today's video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation. Thank you.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm simply doing this my receptacles right now. basically what I'm doing is I have a neck wire, so I'm going to be repairing this neck wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box. Hello and good night. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream. Anthony, I'm located in Canada. Again, thank you also for checking into the live stream. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be a heating panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because Anthony, no, this is my company that I run, so it's not a union company. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that I've brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off. Where are you located, Anthony? I'm located in Canada, and this company is not a union company. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like
like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out, 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be an Eaton panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that I've brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the job site a little bit earlier so I can remove all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when it comes to reinstalling my wires into the panel, I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, also so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next jurisdiction to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Reason being, like I said, it's a panel swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix my defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out your panel with these older connectors being screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I don't want to make mistakes. It's very important. I don't want to nick my wires. If my wires are nicked and it touches the metal, once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the
Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feed being used. So hello again, and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here, a 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here. And reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video, what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos, you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream. I also like to thank Anthony Zambroni for checking into the live stream also. So again, I'm going to run a couple more videos here before I shut it down. Also, I believe sometime next week, like I said, I will be going live on the job doing some EMT pipe. Also, I'll probably be going live with what it takes pass your licensing to become a business owner and the steps and protect into it. So again, I'm going to, like I say, run a couple more videos here.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. You have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. Gonna have some switches. I have a fan, some lights, vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You can see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs, all by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights, another wire for the niche. Mirror, receptacle for the toilet, heated floors, switches, Wi-Fi.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I gotta take that 1 second here. Let's get rid of that from in front here. Are you still there? Hold on a second. So when looking at the number of deaths per 1,000 fires, the number drops from 8.11 to 8.5 when smoke alarms are present. A 4.8% increase in fire-related deaths, not a 40 to 50% decrease as the NEFA claims. Um, So this is statistics in Canada. This was in 2023, June 8th, 2023. So let's see what they say about this smoke detector here. So this is just something that they shared, and this is again in Canada, and it states that fire departments among 7 reporting jurisdictions in Canada attended just over 3,900,000 fires in 2021, marking the second consecutive year of increases. Both fires and the number of fatalities increased during the first 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, with the number of deaths rising from 148 in 2019 to 2000. In 2019, they had 148, and then it jumped up 202 in 2021. So prior to the pandemic, total fire incidents had generally been declining. Compared with 2020, outdoor fires, excluding wildfires, increased by just over 2,700 incidents in 2021, becoming the most commonly reported type of fire for the first time ever. Outdoor fires accounted for 45% of all reported incidents. Examples of outdoor fires include open ground dumps, fences, and light ground cover. Structural fires, which have historically been the most common type fires in a given year, also increase. Okay, so I'm not looking for that right there. So residential fires account for most fire deaths. In 2021, of the 202 fire-related deaths, 3 out of 4 occurred in residence. Among the 10,819 residential fires, 1% ended in a death, with a total of 156 fatalities. So it says cooking equipment and smoker material and open flame continue to be the leading cause of fires in residential fires. Those 2 categories have been consistently accounted for over half of all residential fires that occurred from 2015 to 2021, while cooking was the leading cause of fires incident, 32%, and injuries 43%. Smoker materials accounted for 64% of the residential fire related death. Just over one in three residents have a working smoke alarm. From 2015 to 2021, 37% of residential fires had a working smoke alarm, while 12% had a smoke alarm that did not activate, and 13% had no smoke alarm installed. For over one in three residential fires, 38% fire services reported the status of smoke alarms as unknown. This could be because it was destroyed during the fire, or this information was not captured during the investigation. So again, this is the death rates for with the smoke not being installed. So I'm going to back out of that. Okay, so here we're going to this is something that they have here, and it says smoke and CO alarms, and it also says working smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors save lives in the event of a fire or a CO leak in your home. According to the Ontario Association of Fire Chief, residential fire accounts for 73% of all fire-related fatalities in Canada. So 73% of all fire-related fatalities in Canada. These devices also provide protection from death, injury, or permanent disability from CO poisoning. A threat that poses the most risk. A threat that poses the most risk during sleeping hours. So, post-fire inspection often reveal that dated, improperly maintained, or disabled safety devices are the culprit in these avoidable tragedies. This good news is the rate of fire and CO related death is dropping as added protection are written into the fire code. So it also says fire code timeline for the alarm requirements. 1975, all Ontario homes required to have smoke alarms outside sleeping areas. That means in the hallway. 1986, Ontario Building Code requires direct hard smoke alarms be installed in all So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, I'd like to thank Anthony Zambroni for checking into the live stream. Again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can click the link in the comment section, or you can become a member of the channel by clicking the link to the comment section in the comment section. And I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream today. And we'll catch you guys on the next live. Viewers and subscribers, you had the intro, now come the outro. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. You can also become a member of the channel by hitting the link. Me, I come to represent straight out of the Caribbean, born and raised, nothing fake on this channel. Positive vibes, me say. The beaches is what me like. The great food is what keeps me healthy and looking good. The beautiful sunshine is what energizes me and keep me going. So when you see me missing in action, I'm following the almighty advice of healing my body and getting taken care of. The sunset is so beautiful when you catch it, having some of the good fruits that represent the Caribbean. One electrical boss that comes out to drop the great content. One wifey and never two.